Hello, everyone. It's NOFO time, and this year we're utilizing ZoomGrants with the hope that it makes the application process much more streamlined. So we want to walk you through how to create your account, what the inside of the platform looks like, how to submit your application, and just general tips and tricks of the platform. So let's get started. So a few things to remember. One is ZoomGrants University. This is available to any user in the platform, so you can find troubleshooting tips and self-training opportunities as you make your way through the application. We strongly recommend utilizing this resource. It covers anything you can think of in a way that's very user-friendly. Next is the autosave functionality. So ZoomGrants autosaves everything, giving you the ability to work through the application without constantly having to save everything manually. So once you exit out of a question and move to the next, you'll see a notification that your work has been saved. Next is the tab system. So each section of the application is divided into tabs, making navigation easy. Instead of scrolling up and down, finding specific parts of the application, simply go to the designated tab. And then finally, the completion check. So ZoomGrants double checks your application prior to submission to make sure that you completed everything. We'll touch on this more in a little bit. I was provided a ZoomGrants link from GKCCEH. Now what? Pretty simple. At this point, you just create your login. Please remember that you can only access ZoomGrants with the link provided by GKCCEH. You'll fill out your name, email, password. The account type will always be organization, so make sure you select that. And then finally, once your account is created, you'll see a list of open programs available to you. Find the program you're applying for and select Apply. Once you have access to the application, you are able to add collaborators to assist you with the application. This is all done within ZoomGrants. So you'll add their email address, choose what access you'd like your collaborators to have, whether it's every section or a specific section, and finally, you'll invite them. They will receive an email with a link prompting them to set up their own account. Important to note that collaborators can only edit, so they can't submit, archive, or delete applications. Next, I'm going to show you just a quick video of what the inside of the application looks like in ZoomGrants. So up top, you can see the description, requirements, and restrictions. And then moving down under applicant view, you can see each tab for the application. So applicants will only fill out the summary, which you're seeing right now, the application questions, budget, and documents tabs. I'm not going to go through each question, but I just wanted to give you a little bit of a visual. And so as you're seeing these questions, know that as you move to each one, they will automatically save. And then this is where any required documents will be uploaded. So once all sections are completed, the owner of the application will initial and select Submit Now at the top of the application. Any missed questions or uploads will appear in red prior to final submission. Please note that the owner is the only person who has the ability to submit the application. Collaborators will not see this option on their end. And finally, make sure your application was successfully submitted by checking the application status and the timestamp in ZoomGrants. The owner will also receive a confirmation email. So there's many ways to make sure that your application was submitted. That's it for ZoomGrants. Very user-friendly, very straightforward. But if you do have questions, please reach out to Markea Watson at mwatson@gkcceh.org, Amber Bauer at abauer@gkcceh.org. And you can also utilize ZoomGrants University for any questions. A handout was also provided to you with step-by-step instructions on how to create your account and complete the application. So use that as a reference guide. You can also refer back to this video. That's it. Thanks everyone so much, and we wish you the best of luck.